that whole system is completely alien to people who don't know it.
And it's set up in that way. It's always been that way. Law is set up with all its mysteries and mysterious words and expressions and phrases. And what you find with people when they're inside in court, first of all, they base what they expect court to be like on TV, and that tends to be very, very adversarial. It's also TV. It's not real. It's overwhelming for them. Like, it's people moving around them. You've got guards filing past. You've got prison officers coming in and out of a custody area. Court clerks standing up, solicitors talking always in a kind of a low voice or using legalisms. It's just an overwhelming experience for them. So it's a lot of what I do is kind of reassuring them. Road traffic it's something that really affects people a great deal. I mean, what you discover with road traffic is that it means a lot to people, because if they're being prosecuted for drink driving or sometimes drug driving, dangerous driving, careless driving, whatever, speeding, the consequences of those things are pretty severe sometimes for people. And the people that I tend to represent all tend to be quite nervous of court. They've never been to court, and they're, in some cases, really quite sometimes petrified about court. So a lot of what I do is try and walk them through that process of what to expect on that day and the next day perhaps. But I try and guide them through the process because it's completely alien to them. They've never been there. So on your end, it's 68 to 107 is 6 months, 108 to 135 is 1 year, 135 to 200 is 2 years, and anything above 200 is a 3-year disqualification. And again, same as blood, it's set in stone. You can't change it. You can't get less. Once you fall within the parameters, you will be given the disqualification that's applicable to those parameters. Not more, not less. It's just whatever that particular reading amounts to, that's what you get.